Shalom! Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Jan is here, and as you noticed now, I'm going to make Israeli breakfast today, again for the first time ever for my family of four, and have a little bit of, you see again, covered head. That's what I presume that very traditional in Israel, that women also cover their heads, and a bit this type of way of making it. So that's how I see it myself. And I don't know if my family will make a guess again easily. I mean, okay, I have here Hanukkah, and if I will put it on the table, they will probably notice straight away. I'm not going to put it on the table. It was an idea before to put different souvenirs from the countries to make guesses, but it's going to be too easy, so I'll just put it somewhere in the kitchen, and if they will see it, they will see it, because last time when I was making Turkish breakfast, they couldn't guess it easily, so I thought, okay, I will give them this, let's see how observant they will be, because I don't think they will understand if this outfit that is from Israel. I'm going to make shakshuka, and also I'm going to make bread, which is called Pitta. And I am going to make it all myself, guys, yeah, and bread also, except the bread, I prepared dough from the last night, and right now I'm going to make it like little balls. I'm going to keep them aside to stand a little bit while I will be preparing the main dish, and then I'm going to put it all on the table with also hummus. Hummus, we've been to Israel a few times, we have some friends out there, and actually it wasn't the country we went to after Turkey straight away. I couldn't still find ingredients for the other country, but maybe I need to shop a little bit more in the other shops, so we will see. And so the next one was Israel, so I thought, okay, let's do Israel. I have all ingredients for that. And when we used to go to restaurants, the first thing they were giving you was hummus. And to be honest, I actually absolutely hated it, didn't like the taste at all until recently. I tried it again in Morrison. I bought in Morrison, and it was so delicious, so I actually absolutely love it now. Today I'm not going to make hummus. I was actually so in love with it. I tried to do it myself. From chickpeas, and it's failed. I mean, it was really nice, but it was just like mash chickpeas, so it was nothing like hummus. So that's why I thought, okay, I'm going to make bread today, and I'm going to make breakfast, shakshuka, but I'm going to skip making hummus because it takes pretty much all day to cook making it. So I'm going to put on the table the one I bought from our local shop, Morrison here. It is very, very tasty. I love it, the way they making it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So let's start making it.